Want to know how much you actually spent this year on groceries, restaurants, or any other category that's important to you to keep track of and make sure that you're staying within budget or spending within your values? A great place to start is in the spending trends sheet in your foundation template. When you first start with Tiller and create your first Google Sheet, the spending trends sheet comes pre-installed in the foundation template. So here we can modify the date range if we want to look at a specific month, a specific week, or the entire year. We can modify these as needed. So let's say that I just want to look at the month of July to see what we've been spending so far in July in this family budget sheet. So I'll just set the start date to July 1st, and then I'll set the end date to July 31st. And so then I can see here, I get a lot of great insights right out of the box. So I can see that the income based on the categorized transactions in the transaction sheet here is totaling at $4,993. The expense is a little over $4,100. I've got some transfers in there, and I've got just one transaction uncategorized. I get a great donut chart here, view of my spending for the top 10 categories in this date range. I can customize this a bit if I want by just selecting whether I want to see it organized by category or by group. So I can flip that over to group to see that the discretionary group is my biggest spending group for this time period. I'll go ahead and flip back to category just because I like to see those top 10 categories and see where things are breaking out. It looks like the transportation category, there was quite a lot of spending this month. Maybe there was some specific repairs, or maybe we took a trip. So I can use the Simple Transaction Lookup down here to actually dive into what was going on this month with that transportation category. It seems quite a bit higher than it might have been in the previous month. So if I go ahead and I select the transportation category here in the Simple Transaction Lookup, I can figure out what's going on. Okay, great. I can see that on July 23rd, it looks like there was a charge from Toyota of Greenville for $664. Now I remember I went and had some repairs done to my card. So this is a great way to dive into exactly the transactions that happen. You can use the transaction lookup to find those specific transactions for anything you're curious about based on the spending here that's in the donut chart, or just to drill into any particular category where you're interested in understanding more. The data that you're seeing here is all based on the transaction sheet, based on the categorization that's happening here in the category column. So I can see that all this data has been categorized, and that helps me stay on top of my spending and keep the spending trends sheet up to date with the latest data based on my financial situation.